Oh, it's good. I was just playing with my pole. All right, so you have joined us. This is JakeOfALL to the rescue. So Jen's friend Jamie has, if you look, we've got some debris in the pool. And not everyone can afford a pool boy or a pool girl.
Not everybody wants somebody in their house like that either.
Right, so we got him this little pool cleaner. And this one is not one of those ones that you hook up to your hose. As you can see here, I'm extending the rod here, right? So we can get in there deep. But
that's what she said.
We're gonna get you in close here. If you look here, we've got our little floor scrubber suction. It's got brushes and rollers. That way it doesn't scrape your bottom. Now, it comes with extra, but it's got a filter bag in here, okay? And that seals in there, and then we're gonna slide this thing on here. It does come with another attachment. I'm gonna show you that before we put it in there. So if you were trying to get it into a tight place, yeah, there's a joke in that. All right, power cord goes in here. We've got a power switch.
So it's rechargeable?
It's rechargeable, and we pretty much just drop it right into the pool. You can see here, charge-wise, it's got just this little rubber grommeted connector here. And then we also have some chlorine. So what we're gonna do is we've got this extended, but we're gonna go over here to the shallower end at first. And I'm just gonna power it on. The other advantage of craft. Purge the air out of it. And then I am just gonna run this on the bottom.
So it's a pool Swiffer?
It is. And we're going to run it for a little bit. Not at the point where I want to get completely soaking wet, but I'm going to try to vacuum as much stuff up as possible. And then, as Jen's filming, you can see that there is less and less. But the wheels help. It's just rolling along the bottom. And seeing as that I am moving it, and from up here I see less stuff, I believe it's working. So let's go ahead and, what do you say? We pull it out, see what's caught in the basket. All right, check this out.
Oh dang, you cleaned up a lot.
So that was everything that we saw from above, that easily. And if you look at this, in case you were wondering, if you already have a pull skimmer, this is the standard style. So if you end up with a deeper end that this pole can't reach and you've got a nice long pull pole, you can definitely add that on, get down there. So at this point, I have a feeling if I do this halfway, Jamie's gonna come back and wonder why I didn't finish it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work, and then we'll be back at the end. We're gonna add some chlorine, check the pH, all the good stuff, and try to leave him with a nice clean pole. All right, so we've got her pretty vacuumed up. Now, we checked the pH and we were like at 8, and these tablets are pretty convenient. One tablet can treat 3,000 pounds. So once I figure out how to, get it out of the container, because they want to fight me, we'll just throw a couple of these in, and we'll come back, check the pH. And now Jamie can just grab a beer and hop in the pool, enjoy the water, and if he sees anything, since it's cordless, he can just grab the vacuum, get a snorkel, swim down to the deep end, or put it on the pole. But he's gonna have a nice clean pole, and its pH is gonna be set right. So I guess on to the next rescue.